Today, I'll guide you through the process of crafting a rich and indulged cheesecake. Let us begin with the crust. I'll use a food processor to crush the cookies. You can also crush the cookies by placing them in a plastic bag and using a rolling pin to break them into small pieces. Once done, pour in the melted butter and blend until the crust absorbs the butter. Transfer the crust into the cake pan, pressing it firmly against the bottom. You can expedite this step using a flat bottom cup or a spoon. Once pressed, set it aside. Now onto the cheesy goodness. A bowl. Combine room temperature cream cheese using a spatula. Add cornstarch. Bind. Add sugar. Bind. Use a spatula to blend them into a smooth mixture. Add sour cream, then combine them together. Add heavy cream, then combine them together. Add the eggs, mix until blend smoothly. Add vanilla extract, bind. Add lemon juice, bind. Mix until smooth without overdoing it. Pour the mixture into a cake pan. Wrap aluminum foil around the pan to prevent water from entering into the pan. This cheesecake uses water bath, so I'll pour in hot water into the cake pan. Then I will bake the cake approximately 60 to 70 minutes. After baking is done, open the oven a little bit and let it sit for 60 minutes. Keep it in the fridge for around 5 hours or overnight. Cheesecake has been in the fridge for an overnight and it's now time for me to have a bite on it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more recipes. Happy baking!